What's that sound? It was a quiet night. A puppy was sleeping. Huh? What's that sound? Oh, I know. It's a dripping water tap sound. I'm going back to sleep. That's a kitten. Go to sleep, kitty. Good night. Something's making noise again. What's that sound? Oh, it's starting to rain. Goodness, it's pouring rain. Good, it stopped. Now I can go back to sleep. What's that sound? It's an owl. Phew, I'm having a hard time getting some sleep. What's that sound? It's a fire engine. Good, it's gone. Now I'll try and get some sleep. That's the dog next door barking. Now I really can't sleep. Please, let me go back to sleep. Good night. What's that sound? Oh, it's the clock. What time is it? Dear me, I'm sleepy, but I can't sleep. What's that sound? Oh, it's a train. Good. Now it's gone. That's a bird. That's a rooster. Oh, my. It's already morning. Oh, what are you? You've got a bumpy tail. And a big, long mouth. I know, you're a crocodile.